Hi, my name is Erwin and I'm the Client Relationship Manager of Flower Diamond. For this business, we do a lot of bespoke jewelry, a lot of customization, but also we have ready products in our store. We also carry in international brands exclusively only in Singapore. Lightings for a jewelry store is very, very important because we need proper lights to bring out the whole look of our gemstones and our jewelry pieces. And also lighting has to be aesthetically pleasing because we host a lot of events.
So the chandelier in the VIP waiting room actually belongs to my aunt. We engaged light makers to refurbish it and perform a crystal restoration. So they clean, enhance the crystals back to its original shine and replace all the old and rusted accessories with brand new stainless steel hooks, bringing life back to the chandelier while preserving the luxurious look of the VIP space. Color temperature plays a crucial role in jewelry displays as it influences how the jewelry colors and brilliance are perceived. So at our store, we use a cooler temperature light to enhance the sparkle and clarity of our diamonds and gemstones, making them appear more vibrant. For the main store itself, we adopted a warmer temperature for a smoother shopping experience.
For every retail client, what we want to do is first understand the brand's identity and the ambience that they wish to create. So for a retail store like this, we want to ensure that the in-store experience is great while showcasing the products brilliantly as well. One unique challenge in retail spaces is always trying to find that right balance. Working with Flower Diamond was a very collaborative process. They had very specific interior points that they wanted us to focus on, and it was our job to deliver on it. We held several meetings to ensure adjustments were made in accordance so that we would meet the brief. Combining their vision with our creative ideas, we were able to execute it into their expectations.